on my hip. Whenever I sit cross leg, I feel when I get up, I feel so painful. It's so difficult for me to walk after that. I have to hold my hip to be able to walk normally. So now I feel like tension there.
Tension.
Yeah, tension, not relax on my muscle here whenever I stand up, and also when I walk, I feel the pain of the hip.
Hip joint. Left leg में restriction है.
So pain. Yeah, down.
Down.
Yeah.
Over there. Relax. Relax. Breathing. Pain?
Yeah.
Little bit. Painful? And out. Breathe in and out. And out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Like this. Breathe in and out. Fine. Breathe and out. Breathe in and out.
Not after the treatment.
After the treatment.
Yeah, after the treatment I don't feel so pain. It's okay, don't feel pain.